रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। We are on page number 83. Now Sati has already gone to her father's place. She has not been welcomed by anybody, and she has seen that there was no proper even place, seat for a Shiva there. Neither was any offering there for Shiva, and she is enraged now, totally, completely. She is now in a wrath, very, very angry now. Then she is going to address the people there who are there, all the devatas who have come there. Sunahu sabhasad sakal muninda, kahi suni jin sankar ninda, so phal turat lahab sab kahu, भली भांति पछिताब पिता हूँ। सुनहु सभासद सकल मुनिंदा, जो सभा में all the people who are there gathering in this gathering, today's gathering, and all the rishis also who are here, all of you listen. Kahi suni jin sankar ninda, all those people who have heard and also spoken ill words about Shankarji. So phal turat lahab sab kahu, all of you are going to immediately get the fruit of what you have done. Bhali bhanti pachitab pitahu, and even my own father is going to suffer very much because of what he has done. हे सभासदों और सब मुनीश्वरों, सुनो, जिन लोगों ने यहाँ शिवजी की निंदा की या सुनी है, उन सबको उसका फल तुरंत ही मिलेगा, और मेरे पिता दक्ष भी भली भांति पछताएंगे. He already announced that. संत शंभु श्रीपति अपवादा, सुनि जहाँ तह असिमर जादा, काट अतासु जीभ जो बसाई, श्रवण मूदिनत चली अपराई. Now beautifully, Sant Shambhu Shripati. Sant Shambhu or Shripati. Parvati is saying, Sati is saying, wherever anybody talks ill about a saint or Shambhu. Saint ka matlab, the word Sant means Sajjan, a good person. And we all know, the world knows about a good person. So if somebody is speaking ill about a good person, Santa, Shambhu or Paramatma in the form of Shiva, and Paramatma in the form of Narayan, Shripati, Apavada. सुनि जहाँ तह अस मर्यादा, जहाँ संत शिवजी और लक्ष्मीपति विष्णु भगवान की निंदा सुनी जाए, वहाँ ऐसी मर्यादा है कि यदि अपने वश चले तो उस निंदा करने वाले की जीभ काट ले. Sati is so angry now. She says, anywhere if you hear somebody saying these things, if it is possible, cut off the tongue of that person. That much is the wrong which is there in that particular act. नहीं तो कान मूंद कर वहाँ से भाग जाए. Don't listen to the what you call the false allegations against Sant or Paramatma, Shiva or Narayan, in general about Paramatma. Don't listen to that. Move away from there. जगदात्मा महेशु पुरारी, जगत जनक सबके हितकारी, पिता मंदमति निंदत तेहि, दक्ष शुक्र संभव यह देहि. Jagadatma, Mahesha or Purari. Pura is the name of an Asura. Ari means enemy. Pura is the name of an asura or a demon, and Ari is the one who slays that. So Purari. Shivas, they call them Tripurari or Purari. So Jagadatma Mahesu, Mahesh or Paramatma. Shiva is the self of all. He is the Jagadatma. Jagat Janaka Sabke Hitakari. From him only the entire universe has come, and he is always favorable to the world in every manner. Pita Mandamati Nindatatehi. My father has somehow got this bad intellect or the bad attitude. So he is now talking ill of Shambhu. And my body, Dacha Sukra Sambhavayah Dehi, and myself have come as an offspring of my father. Therefore, त्रिपुरा दैत्य को मारने वाले भगवान महेश्वर संपूर्ण जगत के आत्मा हैं। वे जगत पिता और सबका हित करने वाले हैं। मेरा मंद बुद्धि पिता उनकी निंदा करता है, और मेरा यह शरीर दक्ष की वीर से उत्पन्न है। सो मैं आई एम बॉर्न फ्रॉम दक्ष। तजिहूँ तुरत देह ते ही हेतु, तजिहूँ तुरत देह ते ही हेतु, उरधरि चंद्र मौलि वृष केतु, अस कहि जोग अग्नि तनु जारा, भयउ सकल मख हाहाकारा। तजिहूँ तुरत देह ते ही हेतु। I am going to immediately give up this body for that purpose, for Shambhu's sake only, and also because of the insult which has been done, and also because this body has come from a person who is not eligible to be in this world at all. So he has done wrong. Uradhari Chandra Mauli Vrishaketu. I now adorn my heart with Shiva only. That is, I completely devote my mind and heart and soul to Shiva. I am giving up this body. Asakahi Joga Agini Tanu Jara. Immediately, Parvati, there is one Homa Agni, Havan is going on, and Sati has got Yoga Agni. That is Homa Agni, this is Yoga Agni. She immediately makes fire to come, and then she burns her body then and there. You will also find another version of this where Sati jumps into the Homa Kunda. She jumps into the Havan Kund and gives up her body. Vayu Sakala Makha Hakara. The word Makha means Yajna. All the people who were there, they all were assembled for the yajna. They were all completely now totally shattered, totally driven, completely, there no balance in their mind. Everybody is shouting, हाहाकार. सारी यज्ञशाला में हाहाकार मच गया। इसलिए चंद्रमा को ललाट पर धारण करने वाले वृष केतु शिव जी को हृदय में धारण करके मैं इस शरीर को तुरंत ही त्याग दूंगी, ऐसा कहकर सती जी ने योगाग्नि में अपना शरीर भस्म कर डाला। सारी यज्ञशाला में हाहाकार मच गया। सती मरन सुनि शंभु, सती मरन सुनि शंभु गण, लगे करन मख खीस, यज्ञ विध्वंस बिलो की भृगु, रक्षा कीन मुनीस। Sati Maranu Suni Sambhugana. The moment the aides, that is the assistants of Shiva who had accompanied Sati, among them one was Veerabhadra. It said that even Bhairav ka avatar also had gone along with Shiva, along with Sati to the yajna. All those people, they started completely devastating the entire Yajnashala. They started breaking and then completely toppling everything what was there in the Yajnashala. Jagnya Vidhansa Biloki Bhrugu, then the guru of the Asuras, who is Bhrugu or Shukracharya. He started protecting whatever is possible. He started protecting that. Jagnya Vidhansa Biloki Bhrugu Racha Keen Munisa. सती का मरण सुनकर शिवजी के गण यज्ञ विध्वंस करने लगे। यह विध्वंस होते देखकर मुनीश्वर भृगु जी ने उसकी रक्षा की। भृगु was another rishi also. Bhrigu is that is Shukracharya is also called as Bhrigu. Here Bhrigu is another rishi. So Bhrigu is now trying to protect whatever was possible to protect, because the Shiva Ganas are all destroying everything. Samachar sab sankar paaye, Veer Bhadru kari kop pathaye, Jagya vidhans jaay tin कीना, सकल सुरन विधिवत फलु दीना. समाचार सब शंकर पाए. All the details went to Bhagavan Shankar, what exactly had happened there. Then immediately Shiva sends Veerabhadra, who is a very, very terrifying form of Shiva. Whenever you see the festival going on here, in our temple festivals, you will see one person coming with a big moustache and dancing with a sword. That is Veerabhadra Rupa. Veerabhadra, whatever you see in the festival, that moustache, that is Veerabhadra Swarupa. So you find in Karnataka, Veerabhadra is the family deity for many people. Veerabhadra is the family deity. That's why you see how, they'll shout and then they'll scream and then laugh. So Veerabhadra is a very powerful form of Shiva who comes only for destruction. So Veerabhadra has come, he started destroying every single thing there. Jagya vidhans jayati nakina sakala surana vidhivat phaludina. And everybody, every single devata who was part and parcel of this bad act of Daksha Prajapati, all of them received their lot. They got punishment correspondingly. Bhai jag vidit daksha gati soi, जसी कछु शंभु विमुख कै होई, यह इतिहास सकल जग जानी, ताते मैं संक्षेप बखानी. भय जग विदित दक्ष गति सोई. सो दक्ष प्रजापति की गति वैसे ही हुई जैसे आज सब लोग इस संसार में जानते हैं. दक्ष की गति दुर्गति हो गई. दक्ष प्रजापति की गति दुर्गति. He was in a very bad state of affairs and the whole world knows about this Daksha Prajapati, what state of affairs he became. Jasi kachu sambhu vimukh ke hoi. And also anybody who goes against Shiva, what state of affairs he comes to, that is known to everybody. That is why I have spoken of this history. Yah itihas sakal jag jani. The entire world knows about this itihas. Tate mein sanchep bakhani. That's why I have told you in brief about this particular incident of this event, what happened. Sati marat harisan barumaga, janam janam siva pada anuraga. तेहि कारण हिमगिरि गृह जाई, जनमी पार्वती तनु पाई. Just as Sati was leaving her body, as the body was being emaciated by this fire, Yoga Agni, she immediately prayed to Paramatma. Here he says Hari. Hari means Paramatma. She is praying to Paramatma, that I should once again, every birth I should be only with Shiva. Janama Janama Sivapada Anuraga. I should always be with Shiva only. Tehi Karana Himagiri Griha Jai. So she went to the house of Parvataraja Himalaya. She went to the house of Parvataraj Himalaya, and then she went there and she was born as Parvati. Later she is going to be born as Parvati. जनमी पार्वती तनुपाई. जब ते उमा शैल गृह जाई, सकल सिद्धि संपत्ति तह छाई. जहाँ तह मुनिन सुआश्रम कीने, उचित बास हिम भूधर दीने. How beautifully Tulsidas describes this, you see. जब ते उमा शैल गृह जाई, जिस from the day when Uma went and that is Parvati went, Sati has gone there and she has entered the house of Parvataraj Himalaya. Every single beautiful wealth has come to Himalaya Parvat. Sakala Siddhi Sampati Taha Chai. Himalaya is becoming full of Lakshmi. Himalaya is being filled with every type of wealth and beauty, and everything is coming to Himalaya Parvat. Jahan taha muninasu ashrama kene. Here and there we saw rishis and munis. Now they are making their ashrams to stay there and do their tapasya. Uchita basahima bhudhara dine. And Himalaya Raja is giving everybody whatever land they want to establish their ashrams. Sada sumana phala sahita sabha. सब द्रुम नवनाना सदा सुमन फल सहित सब. द्रुम नवनाना जाति प्रगति सुंदर शैल पर. मणि आकर बहुभांति. Entire Himalayas is now beautifully decorated with flowers and fruits and trees and everything. All gems are also automatically being seen there now. Sada Sumana, always filled with flowers. Phala Sahita, filled with fruits. Sabadruma, all types of trees. Navanana Jati, different types of Jati. Pragati Sundar Sailapar, all have appeared on the sail. Mani Akara Bahubhanti, and treasures of many gems are also being now seen on the Himalayas. Sarita sab puneet jal bahi. Khaga mrga madhupa sukhi sab rahi. Sahaj bayar sab jeevan tyaga. गिरि पर सकल करहि अनुरागा. Everybody has now become friendly there. Every single creature, even nature, even water, everything is becoming beautiful. Sarita, or we call nadis, or small streams, waterfalls, sab punita jal bahahi, all beautiful sacred waters are flowing on the Himalayas. Khaga, Pakshi, Mriga, animals, Madhupa, all bees, Sukhi Sabrahi, all are happily there. Sahaj Bayru Sab Jeevana Tyaga, every single type of life has given up enmity towards anybody, no enmity at all. Giri Par Sakala Karahi Anuraga, everybody is very, very loving to one another. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. We'll make a pause here.